Well, hi there. I'm Scott Powell from Smail Motor Cars in Greensburg, Pennsylvania, here in the brand new 2021 Mercedes-Benz S580. Today we're going to have a look at the augmented reality in the nav system. This you're going to enjoy. This is so cool. Check it out. I'm going to give the MBUX nav system a command with voice control, and we'll take it from there. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Navigate to PPG Arena.
Here is what I found. Where do you want to go?
Gives you a couple lists right there. I could do this with voice control, or with this large touchpad display, I can just touch selection number 1.
Calculating route.
And look, there's a live picture of what's in front of me. And at every turn on this trip, it is going to give me a hanging macro, a little arrow that says exactly where to go. Now check out the live picture. See the arrow? It wants us to make a left-hand turn. So it makes it very difficult to miss your instructions. Wait at the stop sign. Be courteous to oncoming traffic, and we'll make our turn. Then the picture goes away. And that's a very brief description and demonstration of how the augmented reality works on the MBUX navigation system on the all-new 2020 S580 for Mercedes-Benz. I'm Scott Powell from Smail Motor Cars in Greensburg, Pennsylvania. Thanks for watching. To check out more, join us online at smailmercedesbenz.com or call 724-838-1200, or just drop by and see us on Route 30 in Greensburg.